Okay, good morning, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Morning, Zach. Peter, Eugene. Hi, good to see you, Eugene. Today, event is open to public. If there's anyone in the public Facebook group, can comment over there. If you can hear me, you can comment over there too. Okay, let's get started. Hello, Yang. Good to see you here. Okay, so first thing first, some announcement. Okay, we have to do some announcement first. I know it's early in the morning, but let me do this announcement first. The SMT Day committee asked me to announce this again. Okay, so for those that are not aware, we are going to have our SMT Family Day. Type me if you know that there's going to be SMT Family Day. Okay, the reason why we do this SMT Family Day, right, is actually we wanted to do something for charity. Okay, we done something for charity. Last year, we managed to raise some money for charity. And basically, I was just doing Zoom and then just raise fund, give money to charity. But I thought this time around, instead of just doing a Zoom and then just raise fund and give to charity, why not make it more meaningful? You know, so that's why we started with this SMT Family Day. And in this SMT Family Day, what we're going to do is we're going to, where's the link? Okay. In this SMT Family Day, what we're going to do is we're going to come together, you know, have some fun together. And whatever money we've raised from the SMT Family Day will go to charity. Okay, so it's happening next Saturday. Okay, type not me if you do not know about this event. Okay, is if you're not able to attend this event, then never mind. You can also go to the register for the attendance. If you want to donate, right? What do? You can also register, but you don't come. Yes or not? Okay, is that right? Are you coming for the event? No, you can also make a donation, right? Just fill up the name, email, telephone number, say you're not coming, but you can still make a donation. You can still make a donation, and all the proceeds, right, from this SMT Family Day will go to the charity. Okay, go to we will help to children to go for classes and things like that. Okay, but if you're coming, okay, if you're coming on the day itself, okay, on the day itself, there will be bingo, there will be game booth, there will be bidding for books, you know, given out by Royston, Jay, myself, some of the parents, you know, some of them, they have Bruce, they have brought some books together and for auction. Okay, so if you want, you can also auction those books, and every single cent will go to charity. Okay, so if you are not coming, also register, just make a small donation. We will really appreciate that. It's for raising fund. If you are coming, even better. If you are coming on the day itself from 11 to 3 p.m. if you come on that day, then we can get to know one another, play some games, and of course, everyone is welcome. Children can come, everyone can come. In fact, it's welcome. Okay, it's welcome to have children coming. Actually, you know, not just not just for adults. Okay, so welcome. Please bring your children. Yeah, so everyone is welcome. Okay, so go to this link. Can admin people put up the link, or I can put up the link, and then go to this link. If you cannot come, it's also fine, you know, because if you cannot come, a lot of people may not be able to make it, but at least you make a donation to support those that are in need. Okay, so that's the announcement for today. Okay, so first thing first, we have 109 of you all in the Facebook group. Not bad. Okay, we have about 318 of 320 of you all in the graduates group. I believe some of you all are working right now also. Okay, which is fine. Okay, so let's go through the markets. For today's context, let's do a bit different. Usually I go for big time frame to small time frame. Yes or no? I always go from big time frame to small time frame. This time around, let's go from small time frame to big time frame. It's the same. It's just that we want to do some changes, okay, from small time frame to big time frame, and then we look at the markets as usual, okay. For member of public, we use basically 20-40 MA, okay, 20 moving average, 40 moving average, and we look at the trend, okay, to understand the trend. Okay, there are some tools that we can help to guide us in understanding the trend. Okay, so for daily charts, okay, for daily charts, what is the trend right now? What do y'all think? For right now, the daily charts, what is the trend? Is it up or down trend? Anyone? Okay, Erwin say down. Everybody say down. Okay, so downtrend. Now, how do we know it's downtrend? We can look at the 2 MAs. Okay, the 2 MA are sloping down. Okay, but Christine, one point mentioned is oversold, but it is still downtrend. Yes or no? Very clear. So that is the context for days. Okay, so there are 2 contexts right now. The trend is down. Okay, the trend is down. We can see from here. Oh yeah, I need to mention this. Whatever I share with you is for today is Monday. Monday is for entertainment purpose. Okay, it's not advised to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Monday morning entertainment, right? Okay. Okay, so it's for entertainment, not advised to buy and sell. Okay. Let me entertain you. Okay. Okay, so the trend is down. Okay, trend is down. Just one more thing to take note. Even though the trend is down right now, okay, our market is oversold. Okay, here is overbought. Okay, here is overbought. Right now over here, this part is oversold. Okay, so if you want to do a 5 days trade, okay, what should you do? If you're looking at daily chart, you want to look for a 5 days trade. What should you do right now? Can you short right now? If you want to short in the next 5 days, right now, going forward the next 5 days, can you short right now? Cannot short. So what are you looking for? You're waiting for the rebound. Yes or no? The rebound back to here again. The CCI is high, then you short. Okay, so next 5 days, right now, no trade. All understand? Type yes if you understand. Okay, very good. Okay, all understand. Very good. Next one, no trade. Short, not short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Break support can short, not advisable. Okay, not advisable to short based on break support. Okay, a lot of people will do like that. Okay, a lot of people will do this, break support, then short, and then what happened after that? If you break support, usually what happened after that? You have a fast reversal. Okay, it's always like that. Okay, trick you, okay, so don't do that kind of trick. Okay, okay, so it's usually, I don't know, okay, we don't know, but it is not a good risk reward trade. Does it make sense? That yes, if it makes sense, it's not a good risk reward trade. Okay, that is the key. That's the key. Okay, will it go down? Don't know. Okay, but if you short when it break down, it's not a good risk reward trade. So wait for it to rebound, wait for it to come down again, then you can short again, but not right now. Okay, all understand? Next, for weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts. Right, it's the trend for weekly charts right now. Weekly charts, may look for next 1 month trend. Okay, 1 month trend is down. Yes or no? We did a swing short over here. Type yes if you shorted. Type yes if you took some profit. If you're shorted or took some profit. Okay, some of you shorted, some of you took some profit. Okay, take progressive profit. I always mention progressive. Progressive means what? Progressive means part by part. Do you follow what I'm saying? Step by step. Okay, don't take one time. Okay, you can take some here, take some here, take some here. Take progressive profit. Okay, so you have your trade shorted. Very good. Okay, so if you're close 50%, it's okay. Okay, guys, don't need to kick sim. If you have dropped, you have closed only 50%. Okay, you only write 50% up, down, because you're still in profit, right? Because you shorted here, you still want to do down. Okay, I will say at this point, right, Zach, want to close a bit more aggressive. Okay, a bit more aggressive. You want to close like maybe 70%, left 30% to play. Okay, so that will be how you want to trade this trade. Okay, so on the next 5 weeks, okay, on the next 5 weeks, so the setup goes is like this. Up here, CCI high. Okay, wait for it to break, wait for it to break, wait for it to break, break over at this candle. And then right now, riding downwards this way. Yes or no? Type yes if you all understand this setup. If you all don't understand this setup, okay, good, all understand. Okay, so right now, take progressive profit. Next 5 weeks, can you short right now? Type yes or no? No, same thing, market is over. So, okay, very good. All very good, all very clear. Okay, wait for retracement to short again. Okay, so next, the key I will share with you. The key, what is the key? The key is risk reward. Type risk reward if you understand. Risk reward. If you trade, you must have a risk reward. What is your risk versus what's your reward? That is the key. Okay, it is not about can I make money or not, because if you're taking huge risk to make small money, that is not good trading. Okay, so the key is to make good risk reward trade. Okay, so we have 150 people out there in public. If you can hear me or you like what we do, please like and share the post. Okay, please like and share the post. For SMT graduates, advise you to go into the Zoom room. Okay, we post up on the Facebook group already, so you can yes, and please join us in our SMT community right now. I suspect very little people how to say public right now. Okay, yeah, so thank you, Dennis. Okay, thanks for putting up the link. Okay, for SMT, for SMT graduates, okay, if you want to if you recommend SMT to the public, can you type in just SMT so they encourage them to join us in our public? I think we're very little still never mind. Okay, thank you, Eric, thank you, Wei Jie, Guang, Amy. Okay, type in SMT. If those public they want to join us, I don't think this week got preview, but if let's say you want to join us, then the coming preview, I think is next week or the following week. CollinSeow.com/SWB will be our review site. Okay, preview site. So we come together, a 2-hour training. We will share with you what is this SMT community about. Okay, so you do come and join us. Okay. Good question as Stephen asked. Is it always too good to have use 2-to-1 risk reward trade? No, not necessary. Okay, not necessary to have good. Must have two. The question is it always practical to use 2 risks for 1 reward? Not necessary. Okay, it depends on your time frame. It depends on your setup. Okay, longer the time frame, the more risk, the more reward you want. Okay, but the shorter the time frame, you even have 1-to-1. There are people that trade that means less than 1 risk reward and still be very profitable. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so not necessarily must be 2-to-1 because the reward 2 is something that is imaginary. Your target price is something that is imaginary. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It's you don't know where it's going to go. So what is most important is you manage your risk. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. That means if you're wrong, your maximum risk is like that. Okay, maximum risk is like that. And then you're right. How can I have maximum profit? That means you can write the trend and things like that. That's the key, but not necessary to have 2-to-1 risk reward trade. Okay. Okay, so let me move on. Now let's go to monthly. Let's go to monthly. What is the monthly trend right now? Okay, so next 5 months. Okay, what's the monthly trend right now? Up or down? You're scared to type. Okay, it's up, guys. Okay, it's still up. Okay, so if you're talking about longer term, okay, it's still up. I want to share with you this also. If you were to look at S&P 500, okay, this is the uptrend. Okay, S&P 500 weekly charts. Okay, down, firmly down. Okay, firmly down, and then daily charts firmly down. Yes or no? So what does it mean for the long-term investor? What does it mean for the long-term investor? Still buy lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? It is still a buy right now. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay. Don't put everything at this point, okay? But I was thinking it is still a buy at this point. Do you follow what I'm saying? And don't show hand also. Okay, who teach you hand? Okay, don't show hand. Right now is a good time to buy. Okay. I just now posted up this news. Okay. Oh shucks. Where is the news? Oh, I think the link gone. Okay. I posted up this news just now on Systematic Trader Group. There I asked you all. Okay. I asked you all this thing, right? Where is it? Okay, let's look at this. AAI sentiment survey, highest level of pessimism since March 2009. Okay, 2009. And okay, I just posted about few days ago. Okay, 22nd. Highest level of pessimism since 2009, March 2009. Okay. By the way, this survey very long already. 1987 survey. Okay, it's a long-term data. Okay, it's not it's quite reliable. Okay, so so they did all this survey, right? Okay, this survey, and then this currently okay, we have the highest level of pessimism since March 2009. Okay. March 2009. And so what does it mean? Okay, so what does it mean? Type what does it mean to you? Oh no, just now I got the what does it mean to you? Type in what does it mean to you? Okay. Okay, so what does it mean? Let's plot the chart. In March 2009, what happened? March 2009. Let's go back history. Here, March, January, February, March. Here, can you see? Type yes if you can see. This is March 2009. So this is used as a reverse barometer. Do you follow what I'm saying? A reverse barometer. Type yes if you understand. If everyone is fearful means what? If everyone is fearful means what? Reverse barometer lah. Okay. But okay, let's different context. This is longer time frame. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This is longer time frame. This is not shorter time frame. Like today negative, tomorrow buy, next day make money. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. It is not like that. It is. But if you are talking about long term, right now people are most bearish ever since 2009. Then to you, if you're long-term, people scared, you should be brave. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is the context. Okay, that is the context of in using this information. This is if you're long-term, you got holding power, you're buying right now at extreme fear. You got it? That yes, if you understand. I read some reports. Big boys, what are they doing? Hey, by the way, big boys are not always correct. Big boys, what are they doing? Always doing? They are buying a lot of puts to protect their position also. Okay. Okay, so at this point, right, guys, I a bit scared to short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, because we just now mentioned already, weekly chart is oversold, daily chart is oversold, sentiment is bearish. I a bit fearful to short right now. Do you follow what I'm saying? Even for crypto, I'm a bit scared to short right now because anytime, right, very fast, it may just reverse. Okay, got it? But if you are long-term, I think this right now, in my opinion, right now is a good time to what? Buy. Got it? Type yes if you understand. So that is the context. You dollar cost averaging and don't show hand. Okay. So the next thing is what if the S&P index goes to something like this? Yes or no? A monthly chart pump breakdown. Okay, you break down, it drop another how many percent? Drop another from here. It breaks down, it drop another 40%. Yes or no? Okay, or here breakdown. Let's say breakdown over here, it drop another 31%. Do you follow what I'm saying? So the next question is, Collin, what if you say now long term, right, is up, right? Okay, but what if it go down? Okay, not buy more, that one wrong. Okay, I also can buy more, but what do you think is the, what do you think, how do we look at this? You see, understand that at this point, right, at this point, the economy was peak. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, economy was peaking. Okay, and from here onwards, they were doing what? From here onwards, they were doing what? The interest rate, they were doing what? They were cutting the interest rate. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So from here onwards, even prior to here, they already stopped increasing interest rate. Prior to here, already stopped increasing interest rate. Then from there onwards, they were cutting the interest rate. The whole economy was like going downwards already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I don't want to repeat this again because every time I repeat again, but you all understand what I'm talking about? Type yes if you understand. Understand because I covered this interest rate and stock market many times already. Okay, so right now at this moment, are we at that situation of market peaking and then interest rate cutting right now? Hello, what do you think? Are we on this market peaking, interest rate cutting down right now? No, right? Okay, we are not, right? Okay, I just show you one more time just to make sure that everyone, we are on the same context. Okay, so the question is, Collin, what if it becomes like this? Okay, what it becomes like this, like in 2007, it peak and drop. Okay, can you see here? Prior to this, interest rate already stopped dropping. Prior to this, already stopped dropping, and then after that, from here onwards, interest rate already what? From here, drop down already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so similarly over here, when it was here, right? Here, interest already peak. Okay, it already peak when it was here. Okay, interest rate already from the peak drop already. Do you all follow? Since economy is slowing down already, people know, hey, economy is slowing down. Cut interest rate. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, is that the context right now? Is that the context right now? Is the economy peaking and then they are cutting interest rate? No lah. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so that is the logic. Is it making sense so far? Type yes if you all make sense. If it makes sense. Oops, makes sense, right? Okay, good. Okay, all understand, and no question, right? Okay, good. So yeah, so that is the thing lah. Okay, so long term right now at this moment, long term still the same. Should be dollar cost averaging or buying. Okay, if you are shorter term, 1 month or so right now, not good to short. You want to wait for rebound, you want to short can, but now no good to short. Daily chart right now no good to short because even though it's downtrend, market is over sold. Got it? Type yes if you understand. I mentioned this before. I mentioned this before in market peak is when? Peak. When market peak, what happened? Interest rate, what happened? Prior to this market peak interest rate, usually before the peak, they will stop increasing. Okay, and everything is good lah. That means there's not much inflation fear. There is not much. Everything is cruising. Okay, that is must be careful. Okay, right now at this moment, not cruising. Yes or no? Massive fear lah. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So now let's move on to other index. Oh, fear of recession, we covered this before already, right? Guys, yes or no? Okay, let me give you a rule of thumb again. Okay, I may be looking at rule of thumb again. When is the time to, I don't think we are going to recession. I don't think we're going to recession, but let's say example, we go into recession, where will be the best time to buy? Okay, just now all the logic I mentioned, right? I think we are not going to recession, but let's say if we go to recession, then when is the best time to buy stocks? The rule of thumb. The rule of thumb is, no need to look at prime fund rate. Is officially we are in recession already. You see 6 straight time, we are in recession. Okay. Then what happened is we are in recession. Then look for 6 months you buy, you will roughly get the low already. Got it? When the day you buy, right, we have not come out of recession yet. But from the start of the announcement that we are in recession, you wait for 6 months, that will be the best time to buy. Okay. In my opinion, right now, don't have this. Okay. Next, let's go into Hang Seng Index. All clear, type clear if it's clear. Type clear if it's clear. Any question you will have, public also have. How not to DCA have a perfect arrow timing? Don't have lah. Okay, do we have a perfect arrow timing to enter only when the market picks up? Oh, have. Okay, so Stephen asked, right? How not to DCA but have a perfect timing to enter when the market picks up? Okay, I share you a clue, right? The clue is like that, right? The clue, this is the question for Stephen. How there are perfect timing for buying? Okay, so if let's say you go to a Nasdaq or S&P 500, same. Okay, if you want like perfect timing to buy for long term, then just look at this lah. Oh, from here go down already. Here you buy. Okay, from here you buy. You what until here? S&P index 300%. Oh, can you see? From here you buy, still up 30%. Okay, from here you buy, I don't have percent. Okay, but that will be the long-term indication to buy. After the down, market correct, you down, you can buy here lah. Okay, this is for long term. Got it? Okay, so this one, Yvonne, we covered this before already. Okay, can you explain if the stock market is earlier than the economy? Why is it 6 months later, not 6 months earlier than the official? Yvonne, you should go and watch the recent webinar that we did. Okay, did we do that? We did that. This we already, right? We explained the economy versus the stock market already, right? Oh, we did already. Go and watch that video. Okay. By 6 months later, would it be the yeah, correct. Do you want me to do again? Okay. I think they're not because those people who attended this were very, very sian. This is a 5th time you tell me about this thing already. How's that? Okay. Okay, guys, no need to deny recession is no need to, guys, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do If not, every week do the same thing, a bit boring. Okay, so all clear, guys. Okay, next we go to STI. STI. I will see how to bring it in. Okay, how to bring it in into the system. Okay, so right now at this point, Hang Seng right now again is like value lah. Okay, okay. So there's one question may happen is this is the long-term chart, monthly chart. Okay, monthly chart of Hang Seng. Okay, this is what is this? 1998 Asian financial crisis. Who was in the market here? Type me. Who is never in the market? Type not me. Huh? Zach, you're in the market then, man? I thought you're very young. Okay. Okay, who was in the market in 03? Okay, 03. 03 is called what? Okay, 03 is actually very scary. Singapore, 03, in my opinion, is the most scary. Yes or no? Those people who traded the market before, you agree or not? In 2003, the Singapore market is more scary than in 2009, the global financial crisis. Or type yes if you agree. SARS that time, right, is really, really scary. It's even more scary than COVID right now. Oh, this is COVID, okay, or whatever call it, interest rate. Okay, but this one is really scary in 2003. Why? Because people you go to walk outside, you can die, you know. Okay, COVID, they really say, okay, you will get it, less likely to die. Yes or no? But that time during this part, really, like, if you go outside, you catch SARS, you can die. Really, really good. So it's really scary. Okay. So right now we are here, okay. There's one question that may come out. Okay, right now we are in the kind of crisis level. There's one question may come out is, Collin, what if it's a structural change? That yes, if you understand structural change means to say Hong Kong, right? People are leaving the country. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, people are leaving the country. People are so the GDP may come down. Do you follow what I'm saying? So that may be one question that people ask. Okay, then in that case, you buy Hong Kong, you buy China lah. Okay, 2823. Okay. Oh, if you buy 2823, this is the China bank. This is a heavy China bank, right? Okay, so this is 2823. Okay, so again, right now at the extreme level, I share with you all like this. Okay, chances are, even if I tell you Hang Seng right now is okay to buy long term, chances are if I tell you China right now is okay to buy long term, chances are a lot of people would buy one. You know what I'm saying? Okay, a lot of people will say, wait for economy to recover first, or wait for the clear. Chances are like that. Okay, but if you have holding power, I think it should be okay. Opportunity. Okay, but going forward, let's say 6 months, 1 year later, they will say, oh yeah, I should buy here. It's like that one. It's normal. STI, we have done this kind of chart on STI before. Type yes if you agree. Or type yes if you agree. We have got that STI before. Or STI, how many still holding STI since April 2020? Type me if you're still holding. Should be quite a few of you. In our live webinar, we talked about this before, right? Okay, right now, even you bought, right? When you bought in April 2020, we're up still 25%. Okay, you're still up 25%. Okay, so that's the market right now. If we are like mid recovery, okay, not high, not low, mid recovery. Okay, but let's move on to what other country? KLSE. KLSE, what's the code? What's the code for KSSE? Anyone? Thank you. KL after the election, this is after the election, right? Oh no, this is COVID. After COVID, relatively better lah. Okay, after it's relatively better. Okay, it was a laggard. Okay, but I think even compared to COVID, it's still higher. Okay, compared to China and Hong Kong. Okay, but if you ask me, one challenge we have with buying Malaysia market is currency. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so everything you must price in currency. Type yes if you understand. Okay, even you buy property, you must price in currency. If you neglect the currency risk, it is a big thing. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say, I don't know whether I should do this or not, because it may affect other people's livelihood. No, I think I don't do lah. Okay, but okay, anyway, you invest in property, you invest in stocks. Remember, always think when you change back your money, right, it's in what currency? Okay, because you must change back. Of course, you say okay, forever stay in ringgit, cannot up to you okay, you spend your money in ringgit . Do you follow what I'm saying? But if you're not and you want to eventually spend the money in Singapore, then you need to change back to regulate back to Singapore, because you have to understand when you buy something, right? Example like property, right? Let's say it dropped 20% or 10%. It's the whole amount of property dropped 20%. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's not just the initial capital they put in top 20%. It's the whole amount. Let's say you put 200,000, your house is $1 million. Yes, your $1 million dropped by 20%. Okay, it's not that 200,000 dropped by 20%. So you just need to understand this now. Okay, so same thing for stocks. Also same thing for other things. Also the same. Okay. Okay, so Malaysia versus Singapore is a forever downtrend. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is forever downtrend. Okay, so if you buy Singapore versus Malaysia, is forever downtrend. So if you, I don't know whether it affects people's livelihood. If you sell Malaysia property one, they say, oh, buy. Okay, you have to make a decision. Okay, so from here to here is the it is the full amount. Is it? Let's say example, you buy a property, let's say in 07, right? Until now, your whole thing, whole chunk dropped 30%. Do you feel like even if your property is the same price, you have your whole property, if you change by the Sing dollar, it dropped 30%. Do you understand the context? Oh, so you all must think about this lah. Got it? That yes, if you understand, you must think about this lah. Okay, if your I don't do it. Okay. If the mortgage doesn't matter, if your mortgage is cheaper, right? But you cannot sell, man. You sell, you get back much lesser, man. So plus is still minus lah. Oh, okay. So yeah, actually buy Singapore property is still one of the best, I feel. Okay. So I move on. Okay, I move on. Ayo, you want me to don't do this, eh? Why y'all want me to do this? Okay. So okay, sorry, let me change this to okay, you all see, right? See for yourself lah, okay? See for yourself. This is 11, okay? 2011 until about 10 years, about 10 years down. So from here to here is also down 40%. Understand the context, guys? You buy $1 million property and the same property remain $1 million, your property now is worth much lesser. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, unless your property can go up 40% in 10 years. Okay? But if your property go up 40%, then it's Singapore property also go up. Got it? Hello? Correct. Singapore property also go up, right? So we must have Singapore property. Okay, so okay, let's not know property. It's not my business. Okay, they got other people's livelihood. I don't want to disturb them. Okay, so let's talk about my thing. Okay, let's talk about stocks. Okay, let's talk about stocks right now. Any other question? Any other question? No, let's talk about individual stocks. Do you want to talk about crypto? Type yes if you want to talk about crypto. Public, do you want to talk about crypto? I think should, because something interesting is happening. Okay. Okay, let's talk about just Ethereum alone. Okay, Ethereum got one challenge right now. There's some overhang of the Ethereum miners, right? They mine. They have like few hundred million of Ethereum. They think 300 million of Ethereum they haven't sold. Like they sold only like less than 100 million right now. Okay, so if they want to exit the miners and they want to exit, it may create some selling pressure. Okay, long term Ethereum is after the merge bullish or bearish. Long term after the merge bullish or bearish. I think long term is bullish, but short term because right now there is a lot of other issue, right? People buy on rumors, sell on news. That's one. Number two, we have miners. They are coming in. They want to give up the Ethereum chain. They mine all the Ethereum, but they have the Ethereum right now. They want to get out of the chain, right? So they will create selling pressure also. Okay. So, but that is for the short term. For the long term, I think Chris has also mentioned after the halving of Bitcoin, after next, I think about 3 months, right? You all went for the book launch, right? After about 3 months, after about 6 months, usually the Ethereum will go up. Okay, that is in general. Okay. Any question? Okay, so I think same thing. I think if you're long term, Ethereum is good to buy. Short term, right now, not good because right now momentum still down. Okay, relatively speaking, compared to index last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, the index have shown strength. Okay, compared to the stock market. Okay, the cryptocurrency has shown relatively strength compared to the stock market. Okay, I don't know where the strength come from. Okay, but there are some strength in the market. Okay, so is it a good time to buy Ethereum right now? Again, it's a time frame. It's a time frame thing, right? What is your time frame? Is it long term? Is it short term? If you are long term, I think right now it's good to accumulate. Okay, if you are trading, then maybe wait for clearer signal. At least maybe look for the daily chart to turn up again, then buy. Okay, got it. So right now, daily chart, weekly chart is all down, monthly chart is up, but still down. Okay, so if you want to be surer, then have a clearer signal, wait for at least the daily chart to clear, then you buy. Okay, it will be you buy higher. Okay. There are some relatively strong coins. Okay, share with you all. There are some relatively strong coin. Atom is, I think, relatively strong. Okay, you can see, right? This is a daily charts. A lot of the crypto has turned down already, downtrend, right? Daily chart turned downtrend. Okay, so this is daily chart of Atom. This is daily chart of Ethereum. Ethereum is downtrend. Okay, downtrend. Let's say whatever, the rest is all downtrend. But if you look at Atom is uptrend really. Oh, so you can see here it's uptrend. Link is also relatively strong. How many have Link? Yes or no? If you have Link, relatively strong and good price also lah. I think that's the key. Good price. Okay. Okay, so if you see, this is a relatively strong over the last few days. Oh, you see, all these you buy, I think if it doesn't go to zero, good. Okay, that means over time you will make a lot. Okay. Dot also the same thing, I think has reached a very good buying level. Okay, can you see? Okay. The context for me is like that. If dot don't go to zero, like all these don't go to zero, then good to buy. But if you go to zero, then not good. Okay. Got it? Okay. So individual stocks, let's choose 3 stocks. Okay, let's choose 3 stocks. We apply a little bit of what we learned about economy, okay, into the stocks. Okay, let's choose 3 stocks. Let the public choose. Okay. TZ, I think it's S&D graduate also. So all these are the same lah. Okay, if you look at the what is that, pound. Singapore is very good lah. If you stay in Singapore, you are very blessed Really, you are staying in Singapore, you are very blessed, because if you look at the interest rate, right? A pound versus Sing dollar, pound versus SGD. Okay. So if you were to do long-term pound, let's say you buy a property in how to say, in 2005, okay, 2005, right now you are down 53%. Okay, even if you are, let's say, recent one, like 2015, you are down also 32%. Okay, so don't think low will not get lower. Okay, cannot think like that. That yes, if you understand, don't think like that. Okay, low can get lower, and this is long term. This is monthly chart already. Yes or no? Okay, this is a monthly chart already, longest term ever already. So just like you say, oh, ringgit versus Sing. Now ringgit is very cheap. I should buy some ringgit right now. It's your context, you see. If your context is short term, okay lah, you can trade, But if you're long term, better not. Got it? Understand? TZ. Okay, so now let's go into some stocks. AMD. Okay, the last AMD. Okay, we have some context right now. We want to put in whether we can put in the Fed fund rate also. Okay, new price pin. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so peak of the stock market 06. Okay, interest rate going up, then come down. Okay, here same peak. Peak is when peak already, interest rate is flat. This long-term chart, AMD interest rate is flat, then come down, then go down. Here again, peak already, go up a bit more, then interest rate flat, then come down. Okay, right now still not going up, not peaking yet. Yes or no? Okay, so let's talk about long-term first. AMD long-term, I think at this level, good level to buy. Okay, if you're long-term, I think this is a good level to get in. If you are shorter term, let's say 6 months or less than 6 months, now is not yet. Okay, you need to wait for a market to recover. If you want to trade in the next 6 months, then now is not a good time to buy. Okay, why? Because the trend is still down. If you want to wait for a correct 6 months timing to buy, then you need to wait for it to maybe like this. If you want to buy for next 6 months, you wait for it to break trend line, come back down, then here is a good time. Right now, don't know whether how low it will go. Like yes, if you understand, so we don't know how low it will go. But if you say I'm long term, I have holding power right now, can I buy AMD? Can. Okay. If you are daily charts, then daily chart also the same thing, oversold. Okay, some of them are very oversold. Okay, not like here is very oversold. Can see that? Yes, you can see. All these are very, very oversold really. Okay. Okay, so next stock, let's take a look at Adobe. ADB. Wow, what happened? Long term. What happened to Adobe? Because what happened is it's not supported by the monthly chart, yes or no? Okay, compared to just now the previous chart, right? This one, I think the momentum down is very strong. Okay, so when the momentum down is very strong, what will happen usually? If the momentum down is very strong, what will happen usually? Will it like reverse immediately? Chances are may not reverse immediately. Okay, so let me take a look. You see the challenge with this stock right now is, I want to say it's bullish, but it also broke long-term trend line up. You can see that. That yes, if you understand. Hello. I want to bullish this stock, but you see it break trend line and big momentum down. Do you follow what I'm saying? So usually when you big momentum down, there will be some leftover energy. Yes or no? It will not be like this bars are reverse instead of accelerator very, very fast right now. Even if we let go accelerator, it will not immediately stop and go forward again. It will have some momentum backwards again. Got it? So I think this one need to wait. Even your long term, I think should wait. Okay. Compared to AMD, I think AMD is different. Okay, AMD is at the, even with this big down, is supported at the monthly chart. Got it? Can you see the difference? That yes, you can see the difference. So it's still supported by the monthly chart. I think that is the thing. Okay. Last one is Sembawang Corp. Wow, my stock. I never see one. Maybe I should sell my Sembawang Corp. Should I sell? I think I should sell. Okay. A huge double top here, but guys, by the way, this is joking, and don't have such thing one. Okay, don't have such thing as a double top so big. Why? Why don't have such a big thing as this kind of double top? Because in a double top, right? If this is the top, and this is the top, and this is the neckline, right? Then cannot go down already. What? Do you follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand, don't have such thing. Just joking with you, okay? And this is just ascending line, okay? Just ascending line. Now profit taking. Seems like I choose a good stock. Okay. For my dollar cost average, I think I changed it quite a while ago. Okay, but maybe it's a good time to sell right now. I think it's still on the way up. Okay, if your monthly chart right now is very, very overbought. That yes, if you understand, very, very overbought. Weekly chart, I think also overbought. Okay, daily chart, I think not already done already. So I think maybe next few weeks still got some down. Okay. Monthly chart still got some maybe pullback, but yeah, but I think this stock is still uptrend now. Okay. That yes, if you understand. So if you want to, what's the context for Sembawang Corp? If you're like me, long term, I will take some profit. Okay, if I'm long term, I accumulate low already, I will take some profit. Okay. Okay, if not, then let's call a day for the public right now. But now graduates, we got like 400 of you. Okay, public, we've got 186 of you all. Welcome for joining us. Okay, remember to join us in our next event. If you have not, you're not in our SMT community, come and join us. Okay, this is the link to join us, CollinSeow.com/SWP. In my training, it is in my training is less messy lah. Okay, because right now I'm like talking to you all and things like that. Training is more systematic. But yes, if you all agree, okay. Okay. But because right now it's conversational, and that's why it's more messy. Okay. I know. Okay. So if not, then thank you very much, guys. The public, those graduates, come and join us in our Zoom call. Okay, we finish up with the rest of the stocks. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day. Say bye to the public.